Hello class 5. Today we will start with chapter 13, representation of data. So the first topic that we'll discuss today is pictograph. A pictograph is the graphical representation using pictures. Let's understand this with the help of an example. In a class of 17 students, each of them were asked to choose their favorite subject. 8 of them voted for mathematics, 6 voted for reading, and 3 voted for social studies. Prepare a pictograph of the given data. So here the data is given where we can see that there are 17 students, out of which 8 voted for mathematics as the favorite subject, 6 voted for reading, and 3 voted for social studies. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll prepare a table in which we'll mention the two given data. So here the subject is there and the number of students with their favorite subject is given. So the mathematics, there are 8 students who have voted for mathematics. Reading, there are 6 students, and social studies, there are 3 students. So this is the table that we need to prepare every time whenever we are dealing with the representation of data. So here the table is made. Now using this table, we will make the graph, and this is the graph that we will prepare. So this way we'll again make a small table in which we'll make the columns, okay, where we'll have the subject and the number of students, or simply over here votes. So for mathematics there were 8 students. So 8 is represented by the picture of a pencil. Instead of pencil you can draw a human figure, but drawing a human figure is using the simple human figure using a circle and a stick. You can draw that also, or here we have used the picture of a pencil. So pencil picture is used for every vote. So one pencil is equivalent to one vote. So for mathematics there are 8 pencils together. That means there are 8 students who have voted for the subject mathematics. For reading there are 6 pencils. This means that 6 students has voted for the subject reading. And social studies there are 3 pencils, means that there are 3 students who have voted for social studies. So this is the graphical representation, or simply a pictograph, in which the picture of a pencil is used for voting of the students for their favorite subject. So this is the way we will do the pictograph. Let's understand this again with another example. A fruit seller sells a certain number of apples in weekdays. In a particular week, he sold 12 apples on Monday, 8 on Tuesday, 14 on Wednesday, 10 on Thursday, and 16 on Friday. Prepare a pictograph of the given data. So again, here we have the data collection for which we will prepare a table this way. So Monday there are 12 apples sold, Tuesday 8 apples, Wednesday 14 apples, Thursday 10 apples, and Friday 16 apples have been sold. Here interestingly we have all the numbers as the even numbers: 12, 8, 14, 10 and 16. All these are even numbers. Now the even numbers can be divided by 2. So here I have prepared a small pictograph where the picture of an apple is used, where in the table we can see that there have been 12 apples sold on Monday, 8 on Tuesday, 14 on Wednesday, 10 on Thursday, and 16 on Friday. So, in the pictograph, there are 6 apples, but on the table we have 12. But here is the key. If you look at the pictograph properly, 1 apple is equal to 2 apples sold. That means 1 apple over here is equal to 2 apples sold. So total there are 6 apples in the pictograph. This means that there are 12 apples which have been sold on the day of Monday. Similarly, there are 4 apples on Tuesday, means 8 apples are sold on Tuesday. On Wednesday, there are 7 apples. So 7 into 2, the number of apples sold on Wednesday is equal to 14. 5 apples, the pictures of 5 apples are seen on the pictograph. This means that on Thursday, 10 apples have been sold. And similarly, on Friday, there are 8 apples we can see. Okay, so these 8 apples means there are 16 apples which have been sold on Friday. So we can simplify the pictograph using this kind of keys, where you don't have to, suppose if there are 100 apples sold, then you don't have to draw all the 100 apples. We can divide the given data equally by a suitable number, and that number can be used as a key, and we can make the pictures simple and easy. So this is one of the way of doing the pictograph.